Hello, good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our chapter 2. So, before starting the chapter, I am going to show you something. Just I have something for you. So, just first we will count it. So, I have some colors for you. So, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So, dear students, I have 8 colors. How many colors I have? I have 8 colors. And now I'm going to give 4 colors to my brother. So, I'm giving him 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 colors I'm giving to my brother. So, just I'm giving him. So, now you have to tell me how many colors left with me. अब मेरे पास कितने कलर्स बचे हैं? सो जस्ट काउंट विद मी. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 colors are left with me. So just I'm going to show you something else. Okay. So we will take another example. Just now I have some bundles of sticks. So just first we will count the bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have 6 bundles of sticks. Sticks के कितने bundles हैं मेरे पास? I have 6 bundles. And now I am giving to 2 my friends. So I am giving 2 bundles of sticks to my friend. So I am giving him 1 and 2. So I have given 2 bundles to my friend. So now you have to tell me how many bundles now I have. So just we will count ki how many left with me and how many I have now. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So now I have 4 bundles with me. Means अगर मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड को अगर 2 बंडल्स दे दिए तो मेरे पास अभी कितने बंडल्स बचे हैं 6 में से? Because I have 6 bundles and I have given 2 to my friend. So now I have 4 bundles because I have given away. So now I have 4 bundles. Now we will see one more example. Okay, so now let's look at the board once. There were 10 birds sitting on a branch. एक ब्रांच पे, ट्री की ब्रांच होती है जो शाखा होती है, उस पे 10 बर्ड्स बैठे हुए हैं. ठीक है. 5 birds flew away. 5 birds क्या थे? Flew away हो गए, उड़ गए. How many birds left on the branch? अब हमें बताना है कि जब 5 birds flew away हो गए, टोटल बर्ड्स कितने थे? 10 birds थे, जिसमें से क्या हुआ? 5 birds flew away हो गए. So now we have to tell how many birds are left on the branch. ब्रांच पे अभी कितने birds बचे हैं? So देखिए यहाँ पर उन्होंने दिया है कि flew away, left, क्योंकि हमारे पास से कुछ चला गया, हमारे पास से कुछ कम हो गया. So can you tell me what are these terms? Flew away, give away, less. Yes, these are the terms of subtraction. किसकी टर्म्स है ये? Subtraction की टर्म्स है. So our today's topic is subtraction. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is subtraction. So just I'm writing our today's topic. So students, our today's topic is subtraction. What is our today's topic? Today's topic is subtraction. Now we will know what is subtraction, means of subtraction. So subtraction means take away. Subtraction means take away. So this is the meaning of subtraction. Take away means कुछ ले लेना या किसी को दे देना, that is called subtraction. And साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स हम जैसे हम एडिशन के लिए साइन यूज करते हैं, इन द सेम मैनर वी यूज साइन फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. So this is a sign of subtraction and it is called minus. It is called minus. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम माइनस कहते हैं. Okay, so this was a subtraction and this is a sign of subtraction. Now we will know some terms of subtraction. टर्म्स मीन्स कहाँ कहाँ कौन सी टर्म्स होंगी जहां पे हमें थिंग्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा. सो दीज आर द टर्म्स ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो फर्स्ट टर्म, as in a first example I told you कि there were 10 birds on a branch and 5 birds flew away. So flew away, that is a term of subtraction. Flew away. Next, give away. जब आप किसी को कुछ दे देते हो, that is also a term of subtraction. Give away. Broken, something has broken by you or someone else, so this is also term of subtraction. Broken, broken, broken away. Next is fell down, something fell down from somewhere, so it is also subtract there. So fell down, these are the simple terms which we use in our daily life. And next is less. Okay, so next term is less means कम हो जाना, that is minus. And then one more term which we use in daily life, rotten, ROTTEN, rotten means कुछ खराब हो गया है, तो that is called rotten. तो खराब हो गया तो it means ये आपका less हो गया. Now we will see some examples of subtraction. Just have a look with me. So students, there is a picture here. So let's start with me. There were 6 apples on a tree, because जो यहाँ पर है we have to count all the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there were 6 apples on a tree, in which 2 apples fell down. 2 apples क्या हो गए? Fell down, हो गए, नीचे गिर गए. So it means we have to subtract it. अब देखिए जो सब्ट्रैक्शन है उसके कुछ रूल्स होते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट बेसिक रूल क्या है? वी हैव टू राइट ग्रेटर नंबर ऑन द टॉप. ग्रेटर नंबर को हमेशा हम टॉप पे रखेंगे एंड द स्मॉलर नंबर वी हैव टू कीप बिलो द ग्रेटर नंबर. सो हाउ वी विल राइट हियर? विल राइट फर्स्ट ones, tens. So we have only total 6 apples, so we will write here 6 because 6 is ones, so we write at the ones place 6. Now how many apples fell down? 2 apples fell down, so we have to minus 2 from the 6. Now what we have to do? We will put the sign of minus. क्योंकि हमारा fell down हो गया, it means we have to minus it. So just we will minus it. So देखिए total 6 में से 2 fell down हो गए. So how many apples on the tree? So just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 apples are left on the tree. So now we will know some more examples. So let's look.
Single digit subtraction. So just we will start with example. I have 2 ice creams and I ate 1 ice cream. 2 में से मैंने 1 आइसक्रीम क्या किया? खा लिया. Now how many आइसक्रीम्स I have? So हम क्या करेंगे? 2 में से अगर मैंने 1 खा लिया तो अब उसको करेंगे माइनस. So how many आइसक्रीम्स now I have? Yes, now we will do with number also. So 2 minus 1. Yes. So if 2 में से 1 आइसक्रीम मैंने खा लिया तो how many आइसक्रीम I have? Now I have 1 ice cream. Yes. Now we can write it another method. 2 minus 1 equal 1. This is another method. Now we will take one more example. Now I have 3 ice creams. How many ice creams I have? I have 3 ice creams. And I ate 1 ice cream. So we will write with the numbers here also. 3 minus 1. How many ice creams I have now? 2. So now I have 2 ice creams. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Yes. Now we can write it another method. 3 minus 1 equal 2. Yes. Just you can see 3 minus 1 is equal 2. Because 3 is bigger number. So we have to write 3 first. Then we will put the sign minus and then 1 equal 2. Now next example. I have 5 sticks. So we will also write the number here also. So I have 5 sticks and I have given 2 sticks to my friend. 2 मैंने अपने friends को दे दिया. So now how many sticks I have? So 5 में से 2 हमने minus किया. Then now I have 3 sticks here. So we can say 5 minus 2 is 3. And we can also write 5 minus 2 is equal 3. So just we will see another example. देखिए. How many sticks I have? I have 6 sticks here. And I have given 4 to my friend. So 4 मैंने इसको दे दिया. So we'll write 4 below the 6. So 6 minus 4 will be 2. If I have given 4, so now I have 2 sticks here. And we can also write it. How we will write it? Yes, we will write 6 minus 4. The answer is 2. And this is another way. 6 minus 4 equal 2.
Okay, students. So now you will open your maths course book. This is your maths course book, and you have to open page number 21. Just open. This is your page number 21, and we will start. Let's begin. Okay, so just start with.
So our chapter 2 is subtraction. So we will start with let's begin section. So here is a picture. We have to observe the picture first. Then we have to do our exercise. So just first we will observe. So there is a tree which have some mangoes. The sun is there. There are some monkeys. And there is some bananas there. Grass is there. So this is a picture. And now we will do our exercise. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks to complete each short story.
सो हमें यहाँ कुछ शॉर्ट स्टोरीज दी हुई हैं. पहले हम स्टोरीज़ को रीड करेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल ऑब्जर्व द पिक्चर एंड वी विल गिव आंसर ऑफ द स्टोरी. सो नंबर 1, देयर वर 4 monkeys swinging on the tree. 4 monkeys जो ट्री पर झूल रहे हैं थे, ठीक है, झूल रहे थे 4 monkeys. एंड उसके बाद क्या होता है देखिए, 2 fell down. उनमें से 2 monkeys fell down हो गए, गिर गए. नाउ देयर आर डैश monkeys swinging on the tree. तो आपको बताना है कि आपके 4 monkeys थे जिसमें से क्या हुआ, 4 में से क्या हुआ, 2 जो हैं वो fell down हो गए, गिर गए. So now how many monkeys are swinging on the tree? So there are only 2 monkeys are there. So we will write here 2. Okay. So next story. There were 8 mangoes on the tree. ट्री पर कितने मैंगोज थे टोटल? 8 मैंगोज थे. नाउ ओनली 5 आर लेफ्ट. अभी सिर्फ कितने बचे, काउंट करके देखिए आप. 5 आर लेफ्ट ओनली देयर. सो नाउ डैश मैंगोज फेल डाउन. कितने मैंगोज वहाँ पर गिर गए, कितने फेल डाउन हो गए मीन्स गिर गए. सो यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर हाउ मैनी मैंगोज आर फेल डाउन. So these are 3 mangoes. So we will write here 3. Okay. So number 3 देखिए बेटा, 3 story. There were. So the exercise has been done. So students, today we learn about subtraction, single digit subtraction. So we learned how we can subtract a smaller number from a greater number. So in our next class we will learn more about subtraction. So for today, thank you class.